Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I am back with another video and this time it's going to be how I decorated my Christmas tree. So this year we decided we'll go white and silver on our Christmas decorations. So I just wanted to record this video of me decorating my Christmas tree. Hope you like it and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is the final look of the tree. We got this 7 feet Christmas tree last year from Walmart for just $60. So we were happy that we were able to find a good deal. So it comes with lights. And that's me. So I've taken a mesh, a silver mesh, and I folded them in half and cut them. So this is the mesh that I'm going to use to wrap around the tree. And if you notice, I haven't used any twine or ribbon to wrap it. So I just used the branches from the tree to hold the mesh together. I really like using this mesh to wrap it around the tree, and I got this from Canadian Tire for just $5. I got this as part of the Black Friday sale there. The actual price was $17, I believe. So $5 is not bad. So we don't really need a lot of Christmas ornaments to decorate the tree if you're using a mesh, because you can see how this itself fills up the tree. So here is our beautiful Christmas tree with white and silver ornaments. Yes. So thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful and a blessed Christmas from our family to yours.